Hey there, mga my loves, Capricorn. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So, yan, bago natin simulan ang inyong January 2024 reading. Yes, you heard it right, January 2024 reading. Aalamin natin kung ano yung mga possible na mga kaganapan here for you guys na pwede ninyong i-watch out or i-look forward right here. Pero syempre, just take only what resonates with you guys, no? And of course, this is timeless, and if you happen to see this video kahit matagal na, no, it's meant for you to hear that message if you feel drawn to it, okay? And of course, na tayong gender here, so babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you're all welcome here. You can flip roles if you want. You can do that. So, yeah, how was your Christmas celebration? Yan, I hope na ang spirit ng Christmas ay magstay in your hearts, no, forever. So, yeah, cheesy. So, tinanan natin Capricorn na thank you so much, birds and angel guides. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for my dearest Capricorn. So, ishuffle naman na natin all of the decks right here before we start reading, okay? So, if you do not want to um, hear me talking, you may skip this shuffling part. Ganon. Okay, so let's see. January 2024, what do we have here for Cancer? Capricorn, yeah. So you could be dealing with Cancer, but doesn't have to be. Let's see. But since I've mentioned Cancer, there could be some kind of taking action into something, and that's what we're gonna find out. Okay. Let's shuffle this one. Spirits and angel guides, thank you so much. Archangel Michael, can you please have messages for my dear Capricorn, please? January 2024, please. January 2024. Capricorn. Okay. Tell me more about the situation for Capricorn this January 2024, please. Messages for Capricorn, please. January 2024. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and check out the messages here for you guys. Just take only what resonates. Okay. So yeah, Capricorn, you do have here first message. Yes. See? You have here yes with exclamation point. So whatever the case may be, I'm saying that definitely there is something here, okay, na parang ito ay confirmation with you guys, especially if you are asking here for guidance or meron kayong gustong action na gawin. Okay, listen to your intuition. It looks like your angels, your guardians, your spirit guides right here are telling you that give it a go because it's a yes with exclamation Capricorn. So kung ano man to, no, meron kayo dito nare-receive, no, na parang confirmation, no, na give it a go or do some kind of action, okay? It's like this is you, maaaring maka-receive ka ng positive outcome, no, or positive result. So yeah, parang ginagaranti na rin kayo, no, for a while, no, kasi dumilim yung screen natin. Hindi ko makita kung blurred na ba lahat. Okay, so yeah, going back right here, you have here that yes with exclamation, and you do have here the ask for help from others. Okay, so it looks like kung ano man yung dapat mong isagawa, no, mukhang meron din yung participation ng ibang tao or maaring meron ditong mas makakatulong sa'yo upang mabilis mo yan na ma-achieve, no? But I do feel like that this is positive na outcome or positive na resulta here for you guys. You also have here that abundance. Yeah, looks like good news, no? Maaring may offer rito, no, na dumating na may kinalaman rito. Pwedeng new offer na may kinalaman sa iyong pera, sa iyong trabaho, that's what I'm sensing, career, job, yung nakukuha ko rito, na like literally money or earning a living, no, or business related, no, money it is, yung nakukuha ko sa abundance, okay, which will bring you, no, healing. So yeah, healing the situation is what I'm getting, Capricorn. So whatever the case may be, for others of you, if you feel like you're struggling right now or having this kind of hassle, when it comes to your money and finances, I'm seeing it changing. It's a yes. So there is an offer right here. It's like a yes, merong offer dito, no, na paparating sa inyo. Might be on January, but for others, no, maaring dumating na, no, good news na yun sa iba sa inyo this December pa lang. So nakikita ko dito na kung hindi nyo pa ito na-receive, high chance that you will receive this first quarter or January 2024, and yung picking up, no, na manggagaling ito, no, sa isang samuan na mapagkakatiwalaan or professional. Doesn't have to be nakilala mo, pero yung iba, no, it's someone here na alam mong legit yon, authentic yon, legal yon, hindi yun scam. Yeah, I do sense that it has something to do with your coins, money, like good flow of money. So, it's a way good start, no? Nasimulan natin yung 2024, ang bongga nito. No? At the bottom of the deck, we have here the meditation brings answers. Yes, your intuition, kailangan yung kumunik doon. Okay, it's like the universe right here is telling you, binibigyan kayo ng mga signs and clues para mag-guide kayo, no? Para ma-lead kayo papunta dyan sa healthy offer na yan, no? Healthy offer yan, nakikita ko rito yan. And we have here the let go and listen to your intuition. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. So yeah, see, another confirmation that it's a yes. So yeah, I'm getting that this is you. You're letting go of all that burdens, especially lack of money or any financial na parang challenges. I'm seeing it vanishing because you are gonna recover from it. Ang ganda guys, no? So, nakikita ko dito Capricorn, looks like pera-pera is coming towards you, no? Pwede na kayong kumanta rito ng kanta ni Lisa ng Blackpink, no? Dollar bills, keep on falling for me, I love the way it feels. Yan, no? Dollar bills, dollar bills. Kung ayaw niyo na yung isa yung kantahin niyo, yung money, money, money. Yan. So yeah, feels like you're daydreaming but no. Gising ka dito, no, at nare-receive mo ito. Alam mo, kumunik ka sa spirituality mo, no, this is it, no, yung iba sa inyo na yung mga pinapangarap ninyong bakasyon, di lang bakasyon, yung mga pinapangarap ninyong mabili or maumpisahan na nakikita ko mangyayari at masisimulan nyo na yan. This 2024, mga mahal, no, yeah, feels like too good to be true, but it's coming. It's a healthy option. It's one of the best decisions to start 2024 Capricorn right here. Wow. Yan pala yung action na kailangan mong gawin, no? Kasi you know what? Okay, na-mention ko yung Cancer, naisip ko rin dun is yung Chariot, okay? The Chariot to me is the limo. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing right here that something's changing. Something is, you're moving forward, no? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. You have here the bully, of course. And you have here the justice. Yan. Definitely, kung ito man talaga ay may kinalaman sa trabaho, which I do feel like strongly I'm getting, trabaho, business, may mga kompetensya ka dyan, no? Nakikita ko rito, nababalanse rito. Like literally, you will have this opportunity na umangat mo sa mga yan, sa mga kakompetensya mo or sa mga kumukompetensya sa'yo. Like literally, kunwari, pares kayong tinitinda or pares kayo na nagkatrabaho dyan sa company na yan, pero ikaw yung mas aangat. Nasa iyo mga babes, no, yung ball or kung tawagin no, nasa iyo yung luck or yung bola ng luck, L-U-C-K, no. So whatever the case may be, I'm seeing that you will be nasa limelight or spotlight this 2024. Yung ganda ng start na to. Alam mo kasi, dito parang although, huwag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Kasi meron talaga rito talagang maiinggit sa inyo. No? At dito, mga babes, no? Kailangan talaga na may umangat kasi hindi naman talaga pantay-pantay. We all have our own uniqueness. So dito, napansin at naipamalas mo, no, yung sarili mo ritong effort, sarili mo ritong skills, so sarili mo rito nakakayahan, no, at sarili mong sikap ito. So kahit na pare-parehas pa kayong tinitinda, hindi rin naman pare-parehas yung approach ninyo, at kahit na pare-parehas kayong katrabaho sa company na yan, at pare-parehas yung target yung position na yan or designation na yan, no, okay, may kanya-kanya pa rin kayo, no, na pamamaraan, no, upang mapatunayan dito na karapat-dapat kayo para sa posisyon na yan or karapat-dapat kayo para sa recognition na yan, no, at yun ay nakikita ko sa iyo this 2024, no, magbabago ang ihip ng hangin, like literally, yun, toothbrush ka. So, yun yung nakita ko rito, no? So, whatever the case may be, ihip ng hangin, like literally, you will feel balance, more balance, okay? This 2024. At ang ganda, nagbabago rito yung pera mo. Dito talaga, yung pangarap mong bakasyon, no, na parang laging napupurnada kasi nagkagamit mo yung pera or hindi nagiging sapat yung pera mo, nakikita ko mapupuntahan mo na yan. Yung iba, no, nakikita ko na sa ibang bansa yan, no, so nakikita ko na mangyayari na yan this 2024, magagawa mo na yan, bibigyan mo na yan ng katuparan. No, yung iba, pangarap nyo talaga na parang bumili ng lupa, no, or bumili ng beach or gusto niyo bumili ng land na para gawan niyo ng beach doon or whatever, I'm seeing it coming. Mga pinapangarap mo na nag exist na kayang bilhin ng pera, mabibili mo na. Hindi ko sinasabing sa isang snap ng finger, kaya mo na pagsabay-sabay yung bilhin yan lahat. Pero nakikita ko rito na uumpisahan mo na yan, no, one by one, no, one step at a time, Capricorn. Ang ganda. Tapos alam mo, nakukuha ko rito, yung iba magkakaroon ng jealousness, 'di ba? May inggit sila sa iyo. Pero nakuha rin ako ng isa pang mensahe rito, Capricorn, no, na eto, hindi mo naman intensyon, pero parang mapapatahimik mo or mapapatameme mo, in short, no? Mapapatameme mo rito yung mga parang nanghusga sa kakayahan mo, na hindi mo yun kaya, na walang mga bilib sa yung ganun, no? Nakita ko rito na para sila ritong nasampal mga babes, no? Hindi sila masasampal ng pera mo. Pero parang nagsusumigaw sa tenga nila yung success mo. Yan, umaalingaw-ngaw sa kanilang tenga ang success mo. And we have here the proposal. Wow, kung meron man kayo ngayon, no, nakakonect no boyfriend, girlfriend, or asawa niyo na yan. Kung asawa niyo na siya, nakikita ko rito na mas lalo pang titibay, no, ang pangakong binitiwan ninyo sa simbahan. Kung hindi man pangako niyo sa isa't isa, nasaksi ang langit dito, no? Yan, at nakikita ko rito ng papatuloy ang inyong magandang koneksyon at samahan, no? Nakikita ko rito na mas titibay ang inyong pamilya. So, kung ito man ay boyfriend or girlfriend mo pa, no? Nakikita ko rito na pwedeng mag-propose itong tao na to, no? And I do pick up na yung iba talagang January sila magpo-propose. Yes! Nakakanang. At yung iba, nakita ko na mag-iisip at maghahanda na sila, no, this January 2024. For singles, yes, miss yan, no? Sabi na iba dyan, miss yan kang ba wala? Well, number 28. So, I don't know kung meron ba ditong age ay 28, but let's not get fixed with the age. But I mentioned that because nakuha ko rin yun strongly. Pero kung may singles man ngayon, no, whether you're 28 or not, 28 is standing out. When you add it up, what will happen? You will get number 10. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 is something's ending. So, ang singleness nyo ay mag-end na, no? Yan. Doesn't have to be na ikakasal kayo ngayong 2024. Pero yung singles, matatagpuan nyo na yung huli na babae o lalaki ninyong mamahalin, no? Kasi siya na yung inyong makakatuluyan. Ang bongga, Capricorn, na may pera, na may love life pa. Sino ka dyan? Yeah, and friendship right here, okay? You could be seeing your friends once again, no? At maaaring yung friends mo, pwedeng parte pa sila ng proposal na to or engagement na to. Or yung iba na singles, baka makilala mo through friends right here, no? And yeah, whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito na meron ka rin ditong friend na medyo feeling down. Doesn't have to be na broken-hearted siya sa love life, no? Parang may iba siyang problema, pero baka mag-open up yan sa'yo. So, yeah, baka may friend rito na dumaan sa pagsubok, no? At ikaw yung, sa dinami-dami ng mga friends niya, ikaw yung nakikita niya rito na magaling mag-advise. Usog natin mga babes, no? So, yan. Get reflect. Yan. So, yeah, wow. Well, In general, your life is balancing out. Capricorn, ang bongga guys. No? Simula pa lamang ito ng 2024 pero ang bongga talaga. Ang ganda ng mga magiging kaganapan sa'yo. Pero yun nga, no? Because I'm seeing 7. 7 is the powerful number of spirituality, connection with the divine right here. So you need to listen to your intuition, okay? Listen to your intuition. Okay. Here. Listen to your intuition. See? Okay. You also have here, Capricorn, the competition niya as what I've mentioned kanina. Competition it is, no? Yung iba, aside from competitors around you, no, na mapagwawagian mo, nakikita ko rin dito, no, na meron din ditong options, no, or meron ka ditong options when it comes to love. Yan, no? Pwedeng meron ditong, hindi naman sa mag-aaway sila dahil sa'yo, kagaya ng nakikita ko rito. No, actually mas nakikita ko rito na pwede silang mag-asaran dahil sa'yo. Pero yung away na ganyan na rambulan, yung parang akala mo ano na eh, no, WWF. WWF ba yun? So yun nga yun, no, wrestling dito, hindi naman ganyan. Yung nakikita ko dito pwedeng may mag-asaran, lalo na kung parang parinigan, ganun lang naman. Wala namang sabunutan or sakitan dito. Yeah, see? I'm talking about the limo and the limo, yan o, lumbas. See? Action. So, this action right here will take you to this dream of yours. Okay? So, tuloy-tuloy lamang. No? At yung iba, ang isa kong nakukuha rito is pwedeng ito na talaga yung journey mo. Napapunta na talaga rito. No? Sa tagumpay. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. Yan, no? At ang limo, isa itong magara no, at expensive na sasakyan. So, ibig sabihin kung ano man tong journey na naghihintay sa'yo, this is something here big, this is something here huge and extravagant, 'di ba? Tignan mo, number 7 din ulit, 'di ba? So, you could be seeing a lot of sevens. No? Ibig sabihin, na sinasabi ng mga angels and spirit guides mo dito na Capricorn, wag kang syunga, makinig ka sa amin, yan. Grabe ka naman, miss yan. Ayan, mga babes. No? So, whatever the case may be, listen to your intuition. Alam niyo kung ba't ka nasabi yung show nga? Kasi meron dito sa inyo, ilan-ilan sa inyo, few, no, na nakukuha niya na yung sign, pero nagda-doubt siya sa sarili niya. Yan, no, kung sino ka man, few lang yun, like nabibilang lang sa daliri. No? But for a lot of Capricorn, I'm seeing na nagiging aware na kayo. So, para dun sa mga nagsiself-doubt dyan, kailangan nyo yan i-let go, mga mahal. No? Kasi papunta kayo rito sa journey kung saan deserve nyo to. Limo to, mga babes, no? Hindi ito pedicab, okay? Limo yan, okay? Ibig sabihin, ibang level up, level up. Yan na wala akong issue sa pedicab, no? Tawag nito, kinumpare ko lang siya here. Kasi di ba sa pedicab, kailangan mo magpedal. Okay, ibig sabihin, kailangan magpedal, kailangan mo mag-strive dito, no? Para makuha mo yan, mag-effort pa more. Pero dito, you will receive here that kind of life na gumagaan na talaga yung lahat for you. Yan. And also, we have here the Bachelor. Definitely, Bachelor, no? Marriage promise right here. So, definitely, yung iba sa inyo, kung single kayo, pero connecting kayo, okay, with a new energy. I'm seeing that person here, no, na ang ganda. Kasi hindi siya nag-girlfriend or nag-boyfriend nang wala lang. Okay. Gusto niya pagka nakipag-relationship or kapag ka niligawan niya or kapag ka in-express niya yung emotions and feelings niya sa isang tao, yun na talaga yung gusto niya makasama ever. This bachelor right here, okay, is, I don't know if this person here is a classic man or woman right here, pero into tradition siya at naniniwala siya sa trust the process. So whatever the case may be, justice, the bachelor, and the promise right here signifies that love is also okay being, nakita ko rin, ano yung pump, pump, pump na gano'n, no? So, ibig sabihin, parang ito rin yung love mo is parang, nakikita ko rito na magpapakabog, yan, no, ng iyong dibdib. And yeah, we have here the executive producer, King of Roses Energy. Yeah, this person here, siya ang mga babes, no, ang truth right here, siya ay isang matalino, no, siya ay isang, um, anong word name? Maaaring isa siyang klase ng individual na hindi simple yung pamumuhay niya. Kinukuha ko rito. Okay? At kung sino siya, pwedeng literal na siya ay mas bata sa'yo. Pero let's not get fixed with the age. This person, kung bata man siya sa'yo, nakikita ko rito na ang maturity level niya ay ibang klase. So kung sino man siya mga babes, na hindi lang siya seryoso sa buhay, na malambot yung puso niya, tsaka romantic, kaya wala kayong dapat ipag-alala. Alam mo, nakikita ko pa nga dito, no, na mag enjoy kayong kasama siya. Kasi hindi siya talaga boring. Like literally, baka ikaw pa yung maubusan ng sasabihin. So yeah, Capricorn, to mga mensahe nakuha natin for you guys. Thank you so much, honey. Sarang hayo, love and light. Annyeong.